Hi everyone, meet Robot Butterfly. Robot Butterfly is a creative art robot that invites you to experience nature's elegance alongside it. This is a friendly robot that brings a little nature into your day. And it's a toy that you can make by hand. Bring it around in the outdoors and see how it interacts with the wildlife. See how the wing movements and illumination patterns change in response to its sensors. Observe the tiny details in the design and relate them to their nature-inspired counterparts. And best of all, you can make your own. Robot Butterfly is a kit. The instructions cover electronic soldering, the assembly of the 3D printed pieces, and the firmware coding with our Arduino library. Robot Butterfly is perfect for intermediate makers who are looking to expand their skills beyond the beginner stage. So why should you build one? More than learning hands-on technical skills, it's about exploring how robots can connect with nature and spark curiosity in both young and old. Robot Butterfly is fully open source, so you can customize and upgrade it, just like a growing robot pet. Join our community of adventure bots and make your own Robot Butterfly. See ya out there!